In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a Sendgrid account. If you are looking to send emails reliably for marketing, notifications, or application messages, creating a Sendgrid account is the first step. In this walkthrough, I will guide you through the sign-up process from start to finish, including verification and logging in. First, go to the Sendgrid website. On screen, you should see the Sendgrid homepage, or the main sign-up area. Take a moment to make sure you are on the official site, since this is where you will create your account. If you are using a browser, you can simply type Sendgrid into the address bar search or your search engine. Then open the official Sendgrid website. Next, click Start for free. This is usually the button that begins the sign-up flow without forcing you to commit right away. When you click it, the page should transition to a form where you can enter your details. If you do not see the button right away, look for a prominent call to action like Start for free or Get Started. The goal here is to reach the sign-up form. Now you will enter your name, email address, and password. On screen, you should see fields for each of those items. Enter your name exactly as you want it associated with your account. For the email address, use the address you want to receive verification and account messages. Then choose a password that you can remember and that meets the requirements shown on the page. If the password field has rules, follow them so your password is accepted. After you have filled in the form, the next step is to complete the account verification. This step is included to confirm that the sign-up is legitimate and that you are a real person. Depending on the page, you may be asked to complete a verification prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and make sure the verification step finishes successfully before moving on. Once the account verification is complete, you will verify your email address. Sendgrid will typically send a verification email to the address you entered. After submitting the sign-up form, switch to your email inbox and look for a message from Sendgrid. Open that email and follow the link or instructions provided to confirm your address. If you do not see it immediately, check your spam or junk folder, since some email systems route automated verification messages there. After you have verified your email address, you are ready to log in to your Sendgrid account. Return to the Sendgrid website and find the login option. Enter the email address you used during sign-up and enter your password in the login fields. Then submit the form to access your dashboard. When you log in successfully, you should see your account home screen or dashboard area. At this point, your account setup is complete. You have gone through the required verification steps and confirmed your email address, which ensures you can access your Sendgrid features without interruptions. If you ever run into an error during login, double-check that you verified the email successfully and that you are entering the correct email address. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.